Welcome to Online Biz Breakthrough. Have you ever wondered how you could make $1,000 plus a day with a new AI side hustle? Today, we're diving into the concept of artificial intelligence and its potential to create a lucrative side hustle. This isn't just for tech giants anymore, it's for you, the everyday person who's eager to tap into this exciting opportunity. AI has the power to turn your dreams of financial success into a reality. So are you ready to dive in and explore this new income stream? First, you need to understand what AI is and how it works. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Sounds like sci-fi, doesn't it? But it's not. It's very much a part of our everyday lives. At the heart of AI is something called machine learning. This is a process where computers learn from data. They recognize patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Think of it like a toddler learning to speak. You don't teach them every word. They learn by listening and picking up patterns in the way we talk. AI is also a major player in data analysis. It can sift through enormous amounts of data, finding trends and insights that would take a human ages to uncover. This ability to automate tasks and make accurate predictions is what makes AI such a powerful tool. Now that you have a basic understanding of AI, let's explore how you can use it to make money. The AI side hustle that's creating a buzz is building AI models for businesses. It's the 21st century, and businesses are constantly on the prowl for ways to get ahead of the game. One of the most prominent ways they're doing this is by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. From automating mundane tasks to predicting future trends and making data-driven decisions, AI models have become an indispensable tool for businesses across the globe. So where do you come in? Well, businesses are always on the lookout for AI models that can help them streamline their operations and take their performance to a whole new level. And this is where the AI side hustle comes into play. By learning how to build these models, you can position yourself as an invaluable asset to these companies and make a pretty penny out of it. You might be thinking, but I don't know the first thing about building AI models. Don't worry. There's a wealth of resources out there to help you get started. From online courses to step-by-step tutorials, you can equip yourself with the knowledge to start building these models. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace, in your own time. Now let's talk numbers. The potential income from this side hustle is nothing to scoff at. Depending on the complexity of the model and the needs of the business, you could be looking at earning anywhere from hundreds to thousands of dollars for a single model. Multiply that by the number of businesses out there in need of these models, and you've got yourself a profitable side hustle. But remember, like any side hustle, building AI models requires dedication and a willingness to learn. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right resources and a bit of grit, you could be on your way to making a hefty sum. With dedication and the right resources, you too can start building AI models and earn a hefty sum. So, how do you get started with this AI side hustle, you might ask? Well, it's simpler than you think. First, immerse yourself in the world of artificial intelligence. Read books, take online courses, and engage in relevant forums. Familiarize yourself with the jargon and the latest developments in the field. Second, sharpen your skills. Practice makes perfect. The more you work with AI, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Third, find your clients. Use online platforms that connect freelancers with businesses. Reach out to companies that might benefit from AI. Market yourself and your skills effectively. Lastly, set your rates. Don't undersell yourself. Remember, this is a niche skill, and you're offering a valuable service. By following these steps, you're on your way to making $1,000 or more a day with your AI side hustle. Remember, the world of AI is vast and constantly evolving. This exciting field holds immense potential for those looking to boost their income with a side hustle. As we navigate this landscape, staying in tune with the latest trends and advancements is key. Don't underestimate the power of AI to transform your financial journey. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy hustling.